Well, what do we got here, buddy? We got an old
electric train set.
and look, he's got no tooth. Okay, it's an old train set from the 60s. We are not 100% sure if it's gonna work or not, but we'll give it a shot. I did plug this transformer in and it was buzzing like crazy, so we'll see. Got the little switch. What do we got here? We got an engine.
Steam.
Yeah, that's a steam engine. It's got a coal car. There you go. A caboose. And another one. And a bunch of track and trestles. So it forms a figure 8. So we're gonna assemble this and yeah, we're gonna test to see if it works. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, so we figured out how to connect these things to the trestles. It was a little tricky at first, but not that bad. Just stick it in there, snap it in. And we got these little clips here. And they go in here like this. You push them in, just like that. It holds the track to the trestle. So we're gonna continue that out and fill the figure 8. We already got this part done. Take a look at that. Very nice. And we'll continue going the other way now. Okay, we got her hooked up. Figure 8. I'm a little bit, I don't know, not nervous, but concerned about this. We'll see if it's gonna work. I mean, the wiring was pretty sketchy, so we shall see. Here's the big testaroonie. It's a very old plug. Still has a bunch of garbage on it. Well, hope for me not to get electrocuted, folks. Oh boy, here we go. This transformer might not even work, so I mean, we don't. This may be a flop. Oh, I hear it engaging. Maybe loose wire. I don't know. Doesn't look promising. It is very old. Oh, maybe I should turn it off before it sparks out. Okay. Oh, it's wanting to go. You can give it a boost. Oh, it's sparking out pretty good. There she goes. She's definitely sparky. She's old. Might need some oil to get up that hill. Come on, baby. Look at the sparks on the wheels there. I got a full blast. Yeah, she's in pretty rough shape. She'll get some speed here. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Almost all the way through. Oh, come on, girl.
I think some of the connections on the tracker.
It's definitely sparking out pretty good.
There she goes. She's going fast.
She just needed to warm up, maybe. There we go. Well, what do you think, buddy?
It's pretty cool.
So give me the camera. Whew, okay, well, we had a bit of an accident there, but we'll try it again here. See, look at the old transformer. It's not exactly the safest toy in the world. Oh, she's going pretty good now. That's full blast. I think he approves, eh? Why don't we try putting some load on there? Some, not load, cars. That's it. All right, let's try it. Okay, well, we tried to hook up all these cars, but their knuckles are either broken like that. So we can manage the coal car and the caboose. That's cool though. Let's try this out. Hooray, right? Oh, come on, baby. There we go. Get a little more juice. Hey. And stop.
Okay, now
Look.
I'm trying.
Yep, Mr. Seth's turn. Let's go. I mean, this train set's from the 1960s, so it's pretty old. 60 years old. That's pretty cool, still works. Yeah, and we picked it up for only like 20 bucks on Marketplace. I like the box. Pretty cool. Well, buddy, what do you think?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah? All right. Catch you on the next one, buddy.
Bye.
So I think it's a success. It's been hours after we played with it last, and he's still going on it. I think he likes electric trains. What do you think, buddy?
Pretty good.
Yeah, he can't leave this toy alone. We might have to do an upgrade. Shoot us a comment down below and let us know what is the best train for his age. All right, this is the For Sure. See you later.